You begin to teach empathy by bringing people together from different backgrounds, getting to understand each other. That is a way in which we can work and recognizing negative stereotypes for what they are. They are negative stereotypes. Recognize them and get behind them to the person. And when you do that, as I was able to do that to a degree with Revolutionary Guards in Iran, see them as human beings, see them as people. Don't always agree. You don't always have to agree with what people do. You can disagree with what they do, but you can still understand them as a person. And I think that's something we should be doing.